In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to configure and manage your physical document record profiles. By defining different physical document profiles, you can group your records under these specific record profiles. To do that, you first select the application you wish to work in. You then select the Record Profiles tile. The physical documents appear in the center of the Configure Record Profile screen. By default, your record profile exists for document profile. You can now add additional profiles. To do that, you click the Add tile, and it takes you to the Physical Documents Configuration New Profile screen. From here, you give it a name. In this case, we're going to create a HR documents profile to link all our HR documents. We can give it a number format. The number format coding options are available in the help file, but you can use letters, numbers, a sequence number, which will automatically increment every time a new record is created under this type of profile. You can use year, month, and date values. Here we're going to say HR and then a 4-digit sequence number. Last number, we're going to enter where we want to start our sequence, and that will increment every time a new record is created. The Link To section here allows us to create a filter on our HR documents, so when we're adding them in to our application, they can only be linked to a certain type of file folder profile. In this case, whenever we add a HR document, we only want to be able to link it to a HR file. Once we've entered those details, we click Create. We can see on our Configure Record Profile screen now, our document profile for HR documents has been created. On the tile, we can see the auto number format, as well as the number of records that be associated with this profile type. Within our application, we can now see on our maintenance menu our document profile HR documents. We can now start to add file documents into this section. We can come in, we can click Add, and we can create a document profile. Attached to File, because we selected HR files to link to, we can only select now from HR files we want to link this document to a parent. To modify that document profile, we simply come and click on the appropriate tile. And that will take us into the Physical Documents Configuration Modify Profile screen. From here we can make any changes required. When we click Save, we'll save those changes, or we can click Cancel to discard those changes and return to the Profile screen. To delete our record profile, we click on the tile, we then click Delete. It's important to note, before we can delete any record profile, we must ensure there are no documents associated with it within your application. If we try to delete it at this point, we will receive an error that we can't delete it because there are documents associated. Therefore, we need to go into our application and delete any associated documents. Once we've done that, we'll now be able to delete our record profile.